I'm Ross, welcome back to the channel. Greenlight. Introducing the Ahrens Automatic series. This is the Greenlight right here. And it comes in 5 different colorways. I had a blast with this thing. What a lot of fun, I'll tell you. What do we got? We got Fireball Red, we have Blue Streak, we have the Greenlight, we have Racecraft Black, and then we also have another one, the Speedster Black. All the same price in the series. I like that. No color premiums there required. 42mm brushed and polished lines stainless steel case. It looks good. Not a lot of polishing, just some nice accent lines, which is a great touch. We have 49mm lug to lug, so it is stretching across the wrist a little bit. My 7¼ inch wrist, for those of you who are new to the channel, it's not a problem. You'll see in the visuals and the images we provide, it actually looks and wears really nice. 20mm lug, normal, no problem. 13.8mm thickness, that's average, right? You'd like it to be a little thinner, a little sleeker profile, but I think it gets by. It does the job. But the lines, like, it's really got some nice brush sides. It's got that nice accent polish line on the top, which looks really good on both sides. The crown is actually measuring in at around, it's like 7.5. That's really nice. No crown guards, so be careful. Easy to handle and manipulate, no problems. Overall package, bracelet and all, 141 grams. I put it on the scale this morning. 100 meters of water resistance, and we have an exhibition case back to check out this beauty movement inside. Sapphire crystal on the top, giving you the ultimate protections and visibility. A watch built for performance and a sporty look with the unidirectional bezel on top with a 12-hour insert. I'll give you some wrist shots and images, so hopefully you'll get a good look and feel for it. Decide whether it's going to work for you or not. A sporty, attractive design, a matte green dial, applied rectangular lume filled indices around the dial, doubled up at the 12 for orientation. CADOLA framed in white, 100 meters signed at the 12, and that's an orange accent below it. Automatic signed at the 6 in cursive text. Now we have this orange line going across, kind of showing you some symmetry with this whole dial. Linking up with the framed out date window at the 3 o'clock position. White on dark display, no cyclops. I bet you're going to like that darker background. Lume filled marker style hands, hour and minute hands with a large orange seconds hand, showing you the heartbeat of the watch. Great accent colors because they pop right off of this backdrop. You'll also be able to see the meat and potatoes behind the movement through the exhibition case back. There is also a racing motif design in the steel chapter ring with that checkered flag pattern around the perimeter of the dial. Now the movement here is the Miyota automatic movement, 24-hour jewels, signed custom CADOLA rotor with the racing design checkered flag motif. Now the strap here, we have a 7-link bracelet here. 5 small links on the inside with the 2 outer thicker links, kind of like a Jubilee, but not. 20mm connection at the lug, tapering down to 16mm at the push button, signed, fold over buckle with a safety clasp closure. At CADOLA1946.com, the Ahrens Automatic, $310 US on all 5 models. A good looker and a great comfortable wear. I'm surprised by the cost, actually. I thought it would be a little bit more. Seems like a bargain for all the build materials that are using in this particular model. Check them out at CADOLA1946.com. Let me know what you think, which colorway is going to be for you. I'm leaning towards one of the black designs. That's my own personal preference. But I appreciate your time. Thanks for coming to the channel. We're going to see you on the next one.